Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of 49's Beauty Advice Bureau. I'm Kardi Blac, I am your beauty operator for today's episode. So we put up a story asking you guys what you would like to learn from a drag queen. So let's just get started. I love the way makeup can transform the face. It gives me power and confidence. I also love being creative. Take your time. It takes me an hour to do one eye look. There's a lot of techniques that go into the perfect cut crease. You have to be patient and accept that things will probably go wrong. Personally, I always know where the back door is. I'm always outside, in the cold with a big fan and a lot of water. Makeup will stay on if you keep it dry and cool. I am constantly inspired by other local makeup artists, other drag queens, and even music. I heavily inspire from artists such as Nicki Minaj, Blac Chyna, and Lady Gaga. Save your money. Drag is expensive and there's a lot to it. Start slow and start cheap. You'll get there in the end. Style always comes and goes. Trends can come from nowhere. Don't worry, you be yourself. Find an aesthetic and do it well. Always, always, always over accessorize. And if you want to change your look, just do it. The ability to transform into whoever I want, whenever I want. The possibilities are endless. So that's all the beauty advice that we have for you today. Please keep sending us more beauty related questions, and if you recreate this fabulous look at home, don't be afraid to tag us because you might be featured in a future episode. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.